Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. This video will be different from the others because we're gonna make some experiments with this lock. This lock is probably familiar to you because I showed you in previous video how to bypass it by taking out this plate and put a nail and hammer it to release the shackle. It's the same Yahuan Chinese lock. It doesn't have a key, so it's perfect example for experimenting. And as you see, we have 3 layers here. This one is stripped totally, and as you see, it's gray and it's pig iron. It's pure pig iron. This one is partially stripped, so you have a thin layer of copper coating. And this is from the factory. This part is left to be as it is. So we will see the rust attacking all those parts and how fast the body will rust without coating, with partial coating, and with full coating. As you see, this is the full coating. This is some kind of yellow paint, yellowish or goldish chrome. I don't know. It's pretty good at first glance. Pretty good. I hammered this part down and it doesn't peel off. So this coloration, this coating is very well made. Why did I do that? Because when the padlock is in frequent use, those places when it smacks and whacks on some other objects while unlocking it and locking it, those parts will be weak spots for rust. So I try to mimic the same thing as in normal use, frequent and constant use. Also, I filed the body here. I hammered those corners. I did a lot to that padlock to see which part will rust completely, which part will rust to the deep rusting, and the shackle is subjected. Also, we have this part of the shackle which is fully stripped to the naked steel, non-hardened steel. This part is partially stripped and this part is fully chromed. So we're gonna see what it takes to rust this lock down, how this lock will behave in pretty bad environment. So what did I prepare? I prepared a bucket full of soil, of sand, of ash from grill, and I used fruits which fell off the trees in my garden. So we have rotten fruits to increase acidic environment, because you have citric acid, which is probably good for rusting. It will affect on time needed for rusting. We're gonna subject this padlock to rusting for a week, and we will see the results in a week. At the end of, I think, I don't know, let me check on the calendar. Today is 14th of August. Well, on 21st of August we will see the results. So it will be, I think it will be pretty interesting experiment, and I will show you the levels of rusting. We will talk about the levels of rusting for this particular padlock. Maybe I will put some other padlocks. For now I have just this one. Maybe I will find some broken locks made out of brass, made out of steel, I have one pig iron body for sure, really badly made. This one is not so badly made, but I have really badly made body, just the body, without internal components. So maybe I will put all those bodies and all those locks to see which one will rust quickest, which one will be resistant to rusting, etc. So I think it will be interesting. I never saw YouTube with some kind of scientific approach to padlocks and to rusting of the locks. So as I mentioned, I hammered it, I filed it, I put those 3 layers to see the amount of rust collected on each one, on the shackle itself also, and we will see the results in a week. So that's it guys for now. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.